Hello, my dear students. Meet again with me, Ma'am Irama Dalanamunte, with the topic today is descriptive text. And today we focus on how to describe an animal. Okay, first that you have to know is what is descriptive text. Okay, descriptive text is a kind of text which describes a particular person, thing, animal, and public place in details. Now, what is the social function? The social function is to describe a particular person, animal, thing, or place. If you want to describe what your friend looks like or want to describe what your pet looks like, you can use descriptive text. So, how to write a descriptive text? Is there any rule? What should be written in the first, the second, and next? Nah, here they are. The generic structure of descriptive text. First is the identification. Identification introduces or identifies the specific object in general. Now you identify the name, and then if you want to describe an animal, you can write the name of the animal, and then how do you get it? Is it a gift from your family, and etc. And the second part is the description. Now, if the description is describe the object's characteristics, appearance, personality, habits, and qualities. Here, if you want to describe an animal, in description, you can write the appearance, the color of the feather or fur, for example, the weight and the length of the animal, the body parts. Does it have wings or fins, and how many legs, etc. Then you can describe the habit, what usually the animal do, and you can also write the place it lives. Okay, next, of course, what are the language features? Now here they are. The first, focusing on the specific object. If you want to describe an animal, describe the animal specifically. Do not describe the other animal. Okay, and the second, if you want to describe the animal, use the adjective to describe the animal. For example, strong, or short, or tall, fat, cute, and etc. And the third, of course, the descriptive text use present tense. For example, the cat has soft fur. Okay, and the second, it is a cute animal. Okay, those are the example of present tense. And next, the descriptive text use action verbs. For example, run, swim, walk, fly, and etc. Okay, that's all. A brief explanation about descriptive text. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.